So in this video we are checking out the Teckin Smart Plug. There's two of them inside this box. We're going to go ahead and open this up. But the moral of the story with these is you can connect them to your phone, you can connect them to your Google Home, anything like this. You can connect it right up and turn on whatever is connected to that plug. So I'm going to have to put this together and connect some different things to my plugs that I think will be pretty cool to be able to just turn on with my voice. So let's go ahead and get these out of the box. Again, they've got an app right here. All you got to do is scan the QR code and you're right inside that app. So let's open this up real quick or real slow, however, you know, whatever works. There we go. All right, so we're finally inside. Got a little instruction manual. No one uses those. And then we also have two of these, two identical plugs. With a power switch right here and the actual outlet piece for your plug. And of course what goes into the traditional plug on your wall, plus a little scanny code there for the app that you can download. And again, that's all that is in the box, is just two of these. But it's a great value because you get both. So now I can plug in two different accessories in the room and control them both by voice. I just thought I'd toss in a quick demo of how this works. I have this Apple light like right here, and it's not a smart light or anything of that nature. It's no Philips Hue or whatever smart light bulb you may have. It's just using these plugs, and it's already been synced up to the Google Home. So all you have to do is say, okay, Google, turn off the Apple light.
Okay, turning off the Apple light.
It's that easy. Okay, Google, turn the Apple light on.
Turning the Apple light on.
So it's super easy, super convenient to control lights, and it can turn non-smart lights into voice controllable functionality, which is super, super cool. And it's really easy to sync it up with the Google Home. You just do it once and you are good to go. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.